Hello everyone, my name is Gagan and I'm a mathematics teacher. In this video, I am giving you a demo class on rational number. So let's study what is rational number. Okay, so before we are going to study rational number, let's study first what is natural number. Okay, let's first study what is natural number. Natural number. Okay, so natural number are also called counting numbers. Okay, like for example, if I asked you there are 10 boys standing there and I give a task to you, count them. Okay, how you count them? You count like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That means counting start from 1. That means natural number are start from 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and so on till infinity. Okay, so what that infinity means? Infinity shows that is unlimited. Okay, that is no limit. Like someone says 1 crore is a greatest number. So another person come and he says 10 crore is a greater number. So that is not a greater number. Another person come and so on. So in we shows that is unlimited. Okay, so therefore we put a sign of infinity. Okay, now now take a situation in which I give 5 rupees to my brother. Okay, I give 5 rupees to my brother. I give 5 rupees to my brother, and he he go to the shop and he bought a 5 rupees chocolate and he ate it. Okay, and after he ate it, he came to me. I asked him how much money you have at now. He say me I have 0 rupees. Okay, I have 0 rupees. Okay, so 0 also exists in the world, but 0 is not under the natural number. So to show 0 we create another set of number called whole number. Okay, whole number is what? 0 with all natural number. 0 with all natural number. Whole number is what? All natural number with 0. Okay. Now, now, now take a situation in which I I take a 50,000 rupees loan from the bank. 50,000 rupees loan from the bank. Okay. So before taking loan, the balance in my account is 0 rupees. Before taking loan, balance in my account is 0 rupees. Okay, after taking loan, if the balance shown in my account is 50,000, that means I have 50,000 rupees in my bank account and I can withdraw it at any time. But that is not a situation here. Here's a situation: I take a loan from the bank. To show that, we put a minus sign in front of 50,000. Okay, so minus number also exist in the world, but they not come under natural number or a whole number. So in order to introduce negative number, we create another set of number called integers. Okay, so integer is what? Integer is a set of whole number, with negative number also. Set of a whole number with negative number also. Minus infinity. So what we study till now? We study what is a natural number. Okay, natural number are called counting number like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 till infinity. And then we study whole number. Whole number is what? 0 with natural number. Then we study integer. Integer number is what? Negative number with a set of whole number. Okay. Now we are going to study our main topic is which is rational number. Okay. So definition of rational number says a number which can be written in the form of P by Q, where P and q are integers are integers and q not equals to 0. Okay, so let's study one by one. Okay, so what it says, a number, okay, a number which can be written in the form of p by q, okay, which can be written in the form of p by q, where p and q are integers and q not equals to 0. Okay, so like if I asked you, like in order to check a number is a rational number or not, like if I write 2 by 3 here, 2 by 3. Okay, so in order to check it is a rational number or not, we go to the definition and check, like a number, yes, it is a number which can be written in the form of p by q. Yes, it can be written in the form of p by q, where p is equals to 2 and q is equals to 3, where p and q are integers. Yes, 2 and 3 are integers here, and q not equals to 0. Yes, 3 is not equals to 0, so that's why it is a rational number. Now checking another number, like I write 5 by 3, 5 by 3. So in order to check it is a rational number or not, we go to the definition, a number which can be written in the form of p by q. Yes, it is written in the form of p by q, where p is 5 and q is 3, and p and q both are integers and q not equals to 0. Okay, yes, 3 is not equals to 0, that's why it is a rational number. And now if I ask you 3 is a rational number or not, okay, so go to the definition, a number which can be, okay, can be which can be written in the form of p upon q. Yes, we can written 3 as 3 by 1. So 3 can be written as a 3 upon 1, which is the p by q form, where p and q are integers and q not equals to 0. That's why 3 is also a rational number. Okay, now 0 is a rational number or not? Yes, we can write 0 as a 0 by 1. Okay, so 0 is here p and q is 1, and p and q are integers and q not equals to 0. P may be a 0, but q must be not equals to 0. So that is also a rational number. Now understanding why q not equals to 0. Okay, now I am giving you an example, like in which I have a pen. Okay, I have a pen. I have a pen. And a child comes to me and asks me, give that pen to him. Okay, I give that pen, that whole pen to him. I give that whole pen to him. Okay, now another example, like I have a pen and two childs comes to me and ask me to give this pen to them, but I have only one pen. So in order to give them, I divide this pen into two halves. Okay, into two halves. So I gave one half to one child and one half to another child. Okay, and one half to the another child. Now now look at what we do. Now for whenever we divide, we use division. What division says, like if I divide 1 by 1, means I have one thing, numerator says how many things we have, denominator say in how many parts we have to divide. So here we have one whole pan and we want divide into one parts, therefore 1 by 1. Okay, which gives one whole pan to a child. And here we have a one pan and we want to divide it into two parts, that result in 0.5 pan to each of the child. Okay, now take a situation where I have a pen and a child comes to me and asks me, can you divide it into 0 parts? Okay, so like can you divide into 0 parts? So I say I'm not a magician, I can't hide it. Minimum of one part is a whole pan like this, which is a one part. Okay, denominator says how many parts, so denominator minimum is 1, but we here but we can't make denominator is 0. Like we can't make denominator 0. 0 means divide the span into 0 parts, which is not possible. Okay, so therefore division by 0 in max is not possible. Therefore we write in the definition q not equals to 0. Okay, thank you.